Okay, going to be unboxing this WAHL Cordless Hair Clipper. This comes in at under £20, one of the cheaper versions, but it looks quite nice. And I've already taken this out. It's got a nice feel. It's kind of plasticky rubber, so it's tactile, it's good. Little cover on the end, protection, clip that off, and there's your blade. So if you want to know what it looks like on the end, normal screws there if you need to adjust it or technically change anything, and your cord connection there and a light. Now this does come with power, so you can use it straight away. What else does it come with? Well, it's pretty good. It's got a full charge runtime of 60 minutes, which, you know, it depends. It's not too bad. Depends if you're going to be, you know, traveling without the lead for like a long time. Inside, you get a pair of scissors. You get this great thing here, styling guide. Tells you how to do certain styles. This is really good. I haven't seen that come with any of the ones I bought before. Comes with all the different levels of attachments there, the different depths of your hair. Comb, you see that? The comb. And this is the thing I always like to see. It doesn't seem to come with all of them. It's like an oil, a hair clipper oil. It's to like lubricate the blade every now and again. And then there's a little brush for cleaning. So I'm not going to open them up for now. So you've also got a warranty. You've also got the WAHL instructions here. It's pretty basic, safety stuff, battery things. You need to read that, especially if you're going to start using it full time. It basically says not getting it wet. I used to get my other one a little bit wet on the blades. If I wanted to kind of rinse it, didn't seem to be a problem. But this is not a wet and dry one. So if you want one you can use in the bath or shower, this will potentially not be the one. Any water in there and it could cause a problem. So, you know, the instructions will say all about that. But the styling guide is, like I say, is brilliant. Let me open it up fully. Different ways of cutting the beard, how to change the angle. So you can, with this, you can kind of know what's safe and what goes and what doesn't go. And there's even more ones about hairstyling trend for partings. Classic partings here. So it's all pretty good. And then these like little pattern styles here. So that is pretty good. I'm going to enjoy reading that, so I can think, oh, I can try that. Do some funky hair trimming. So like I say, it's powered up. And there's no adjustment levers on these. So that basically is set to the minimal, for example, level 1. And then if you want higher levels, you add the other ones. And when you plug into charge, this light will come on. Show you it's charging, and then it will go off once it's charged. So for so basically for under £20, this is you know, it's kind of pretty good. There you go. Some of the others, you know, I don't know what one I had before was a bit lighter in weight, maybe just a little bit the same. This one, but I've got a problem here. It's stuck, something stuck in here, and I've tried giving it a shake. Unfortunately, the screws on there, I can't find the ones I have. But I thought, because I quite like this, it's quite nice little charging levels and stuff on it. But I thought I'll have a look and see what's around. And then I saw this, which I think I like the feel. So there you go, guys. That's what's in the box. Now I've just had a quick go at this and it's pretty nippy, and these blades actually feel quite safe. They're not very sharp on the ends, so there's less chance of nicking yourself and things. I thought was pretty good. It feels a bit bouncy on the head when I'm going along. But like I say, it's pretty quick, done the job. Like, I don't think there's any harm of like any particular like getting nicks and stuff from this. The only thing I was thinking about was the charge. When the other one I had, when it was at a certain level, you could know that it's half out of battery, and you think, oh, I can charge it, you know, or it's quarter level, so you can see where it was. With this, even the light doesn't change. It'd be nice if that light was a different colour when you're using it or something, so you know that, oh yeah, it's on red, it's going to be low soon, I better get it on charge. So that is the one thing that this would be nice if it had. But apart from that, seems okay.